Welcome everyone to Chemistry Countdown, the premier chemistry show on the network. Well, actually we're the only show on the network, and we're already cancelled, but that doesn't matter. I am your host for the evening, Walter White, and Mom's making meatloaf tonight, so let's get this out of the way. Let's switch it over to Johnny for our introductions.
Introducing first, it says here, you're the president of the Greater Saskatchewan Star Trek Guild, a man simply known as Mr. Brown.
Kapla.
Okay, moving on. Next, a resident scientist, dog lover, accomplished knitter, Lily Larson.
I'm quite lonely.
Finally, multi-million-dollar business owner Richard Draper. It says here that you're an underground bum shock fighting champion and currently good friends with a squirrel named Bobby. Richard, what is bum shock fighting?
Glad you asked, John. It's like regular bum fights, but with electrified gloves. You know, the good stuff.
So we've been over the rules in the back. Let's show our contestants what they're playing for today. Let's show the folks what we're playing for today. Alright, we've met our contestants. Now it's time to play some Chemistry Countdown! Which element is this on the periodic table? Lily.
It's oxygen.
That is correct. Alright, this question is worth 100 points. What is a solution? Mr. Brown?
Yes. Captain, advise. Oh, he doesn't seem to be there. Okay. A solute is dissolved in a solvent.
That is correct. Alright, this is question 3 and it's also worth 100 points. What chemical bond is formed between ions with opposite charges? Lily.
Ionic bonds. I wish I had some sort of a bond.
That is correct. Alright, question 4, also worth 100 points. Which element has the highest electronegativity value? Lily again.
It's fluorine.
Correct. Alright, question 5, worth another 100 points. What is molarity? Mr. Brown.
Ah, yes. Molarity is a unit of concentration.
Yeah, it is.
Question 6. What formula is used to solve for KEQ equations? Richard.
It's a products over reactants.
What was that, Richard?
Don't worry about it. That was just my accountant.
Well, the answer was correct. Right, question 7. Name this polyatomic ion. Richard.
Okay. The answer would be dihydrogen phosphate.
That is correct.
So I hear you're rich.
Very.
Rich?
Very rich.
Rich? Tell me more.
Alright, question 8. What does the circled value in the question represent? Mr. Brown.
The answer is atomic mass.
That is correct. Alright, now we're down to our second last question. This is number 9. Fluorine, chlorine, and bromine are part of which group on the periodic table? Richard.
I actually know this one. Halogens.
That is very correct.
Yeah.
It is very correct.
Alright, we're down to our final question. And this is the most tough one at all. You'll be given an equation and have to solve by oxidating numbers. You can wager as many points as you have. Whoever gets the most points wins the entire show and our fabulous prizes. You'll be given 30 seconds to solve.
Oh, thank you.
Ma'am.
All right, and let's take a look at Richard's answer. Richard, care to explain?
Walter, that is money. 'Cause money is everything, and everyone has a price.
Well, it is incorrect, and you end up losing all 600 points that you wagered.
Well, that's okay. Here for the food.
And let's take a look at Mr. Brown's answer here. Mr. Brown, what do you got here?
Well, that's a winner, and winners do not do drugs.
Well,
And I am a winner.
that is a great message for the folks, but unfortunately it's incorrect, and you lose half your 200 points as you wagered here. All right, Lily Larson, you are Chemistry Countdown's first and last winner. How do you feel right now?
Walter, I feel great. I feel hungry. And I feel accomplished. And I love chemistry.
Anything to say to your fans?
Chemistry.
Do you love chemistry?
Stay in school, kids.